Alright, today we got some goodies in from Izzy Auto for the 2020 4Runner. I'm going to start off with these little floor mats we got. I took a quick peek at them already and they seem to be great quality for the money. I think it's probably can't beat it. Let's go see how they fit inside the car, make sure everything lines up right. So installation on floor mats is pretty straightforward. Don't think we really need to talk much about it, but you know, just in case. Old out, new in. Let's see how she goes. Oh man, that's nice actually. That's a really good fit. Look at that. It comes up around the seat. You get a nice catch all the way around coming over the floor here. Wraps up on, man, it even protects the foot pedal, the little footrest here, so you don't wear through that. Not bad at all. Let's throw the rest of these things in here. Alright, passenger side. I already pulled the old floor mat out. Figure that doesn't need to be repeated 100 times here. Nice. Yeah, these definitely fit like a glove right out of the box. Of course, I would mess up here and have left that twisted. There we go. A little duct tape will fix it. Pretty nice. Very good fit. Really clean. Underneath the foot, they got a nice rubbery feel to them. They're not overly plasticky like some that I've seen. I actually really like that. They've got a nice soft feel to them. Doesn't turn your car into a, you know, plastic Power Wheels. So during the initial filming, had a little technical difficulty and no audio on this section, but this is the rear. Once again, you know, very nicely molded. You've got this molding that comes over the transmission tunnel, or drive shaft tunnel at this point. The molding comes over the edges just like in the front. I mean, it's absolutely exceptional quality. The fit is perfect, molded perfectly for all the contours of the floor. I mean, you can't beat it. Definitely a great product, and already been using it a couple days so far. They're holding up nicely. I mean, it's the beginning, but they're nice. Yeah, this is probably about 5 days of use. I'll have to check. I'll throw something like here on the screen to show when it was. But yeah, a few days worth of use. A little bit of dirt on the floor, but it's still too early to really see any kind of wear. But just an idea of what we're looking at. They're pretty damn nice floor mats.